Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, Jackie's Town. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your very own easy edible gems that could be done within minutes. But before I get into this video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you like this video, please leave me a comment and let me know. It'll help my channel grow. And so let's just get right into this video. So the things that you'll need are, I get this almond bark from Great Value. You can use any color you like, but if I don't have a specific color, this is my go-to. Almond bark, because it melts super easy, smooth, no clumping. You're going to need silicone gel, mold, and I went ahead and melted my chocolate already. Because the cavities are small, I'm going to go ahead and use this syringe so I can have less mess. And just go right on ahead and fill in your cavities. I like to put my mold on a plate or something flat so that you don't have to deal with distorting your chocolate. You do want to tap, get those air bubbles out. So placing it on the plate really does help keep the mold from flipping and flopping everywhere, having your chocolate spill out of the cavity, or making a bigger mess. So once I see that all the air bubbles are gone, I will go ahead and place that in the refrigerator for at least 10 or 15 minutes. So once you do that and your gems are done, they'll look like that. When you take them out, you don't want to work with them right away. Let them sit out for at least another 10 or 15 minutes. The next step is I take some dab and hold. I get this from Walmart. No, I think I got this from Michael's, but I think Walmart sells them also. And then what you're going to do is take a little paintbrush and you're going to cover your little chocolate gem with the dab and hold and cover it all up really good. Don't put too much of it, don't glob it on, because when you sprinkle your edible dust, you don't want it to look clumpy. I am then going to take my gem. I'm going to place it on a smaller piece of wax paper. And I am using the rainbow from Oh Sweet Arts Disco Dust. It's a very pretty color. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle it all over. And you don't want to pick it up right away. Once you sprinkle that on there, let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Give the dab and hold a chance to suck in that disco dust, give it time to adhere, and give it a little time to dry. If you pick it up right away, you may cause the disco dust to come off your gem. Okay? And when you're done doing that, this is what your gem is going to look like. Can you see all that sparkly? Isn't that beautiful? Edible gems. These will be great for quinceañeras, sweet 16, weddings, engagement parties, bridal shower, or even an everyday diva birthday cake. So let's pretend that I waited 5 minutes. I want to show you what I do. The reason why I cut out this little square, I will take a little piece of wax paper and I would carefully tap it back in there. No need to waste it. I'm going to go ahead and do a few more of these beautiful edible gems for you. Let me know if this video is helpful. Would you consider doing it this way? When I first started doing cakes and I didn't know about how to make things on my own, I would spend lots of money on edible gem for an order when I didn't know I could have just done it myself. And look how simple it is. Sometimes people want to charge you $25, $35 to show you how to do something as simple as this. I hope you like this video. I'm going to go ahead and place that right there. I'm going to do if you don't have dab and hold, I think you can use corn syrup as well. A very thin coat is plenty. So just throwing that out there. Some people use shortening, but the only thing with the shortening is that when you go to manage the gems and you want to place them wherever it is that you want to place them, because it is shortening and it's a little slippery, it's not going to dry and adhere to the chocolate. It's just going to slip off. So here I go again, covering my gems. Oh, that is so pretty. Look how shiny it is. This one here is my favorite, the rainbow disco dust. Can you see how shimmery it is? And I'm going to just saturate that, cover it all up. I'm not being wasteful because the extra will go back in the jar. And I'm going to hit the sides. And we're going to pretend that I had this here for 5 minutes. See how sparkly? That is beautiful. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this was of some help to you. Yummy and beautiful. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this video. Please like and share. And until we meet again, take care of you. Bye-bye.